Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to the channel. As you guys saw from the thumbnail, I did sell my Toyota 4Runner. Now I know you guys think I'm a little bit crazy, but hear me out guys. In California, gas is $6 a gallon. And you guys already know this 4Runner does not get good gas mileage. On a good day, it probably gets 12 miles per gallon. Average is probably 10 miles per gallon. And I really can't afford to drive this thing because she's got a drinking problem. My family comes first and I gotta feed them first, and food's going up in price, and I had to make a choice. Either fill up the 4Runner or feed my family. Another reason why I'm selling this 4Runner is every time I drive this vehicle, I always have that thought in the back of my mind that my lower ball joints are gonna fail. And every time I log into my Facebook, I see all these 4Runners failing day in, day out. And I really don't want to take that risk with my family. And I'm probably going to move to something that doesn't have that design flaw. And I'll be honest with you guys, I'm actually not running OEM lower ball joints on there. I didn't buy it from a special clown either, or from the dealership. And I'm not ready to fork over another $200 just to do it right. And if you're wondering, I am not running Moog ball joints, so just relax in the comments. I just wanted to be upfront about it and just let you guys know, and also let the new owner know that I am not running official OEM lower ball joints. Now, another reason why I sold my Toyota 4Runner is because we are actually in a very hot used car market right now, and these 4Runners seem to have appreciated to an astronomical number. Let me show you guys how much I sold this 4Runner for. Alright, I know some of you guys are probably thinking I'm insane for selling my 4Runner, because I do love my 4Runner, but I kind of like money a little bit more. And you can see here, I listed my 4Runner on bringatrailer.com because it seems like this is where you get top dollar for your 4Runner. And you can see here, it's sold for $20,750. That is a ridiculous amount of money, guys. I only paid $6,200 for this 4Runner 5 years ago. So if you're telling me you wouldn't sell your Toyota 4Runner for $20,000, well, I think you're a little crazy. So you can see here, it sold on April 1st for $20,000, a little bit more than that. And I just listed a couple things on here. I'm pretty sure I forgot some stuff, but basically all the mods that I did on the channel, I put on here. So, you know, it's fully locked, overland ready, fridge, you know, all kinds of stuff. I even advertised that I did most of my own repairs, and I even listed my channel here so they can go find it if they want to watch it and confirm that I did the repairs correctly. You can see here I showed them my rear tire carrier, and they seem to like that, and even showed some photos of it out in the wild, and just basically listed all the different things that I did to it. I think really the 34-inch tire set it off, because everybody runs 33s, and that's not very unique. And I really think that that brought in the money. I mean, who wants 33-inch tires when you can get 34-inch tires? And I'm pretty sure if I had 35s or 37s or even 40s, I probably would have got more money for my 4Runner. I even put this photo on here. I think this one really helped because it really highlights the difference between a stock Toyota 4Runner and a modified overland ready 4Runner. So I think when they saw this, they said, forget the stock one, let's go with the ready built one, and let's just go have some fun. So as you can see guys, if you want to list your 4Runner, you can get top dollar for it right now, and I highly suggest you do that if you're thinking about selling it. You can get over $20,000 for a used clunker. I even told them that there was potentially rust on the vehicle, and they still went for it. They didn't ask for any pictures, and I don't really have a lot of rust under there, so they're just going to take my word for it. So it's going to be a sad day when I have to ship this off to the new owner, which I have to do pretty soon here. But now that I have $20,000 in my bank account, it's on to the next chapter. So you guys are probably wondering what's going to happen to the channel now that I don't have this vehicle anymore. Once the new owner comes and picks this up, I'm probably not going to be doing any more 4Runner videos, and I'll have to decide what to do with the channel. Now I do own a Toyota Prius, so I might make some Toyota Prius videos for you guys. I have a pretty interesting video on how to get your catalytic converter very quickly, so maybe you guys are interested in that. It's actually already on my channel, so if you guys are looking for a quick buck, make sure you guys check that video out. But in all honesty guys, I think I'm going to be switching up my vehicles. I think I'm going to actually go look at the Jeep Wrangler or the Ford Bronco. Those vehicles have always caught my eye, and they actually get better gas mileage, which is nice as well. The Jeep Wrangler even has an electric motor in one of the models, and that's pretty enticing for me. I love the fact that you can remove the doors, take off the roof, and that community just seems a little bit better than this 4Runner community. I mean, if you guys don't know what Duck Duck Jeep is, you guys might want to look that up. Maybe you guys can do that in the 4Runner community. I figured life's pretty short, so now's that time to enjoy my money. And you guys saw what I sold my 4Runner for, so I'm going to be taking that $20,000,
putting it towards a heavily marked up Bronco or Jeep, and finance it for 8 years at 9.65% APR and pay $824 a month for 8 years. And then that baby will be mine, and most likely I'll start making videos about that vehicle. Well guys, I'm sorry about the bad news. I know I haven't posted a video in a while, and that's partially the reason why. I've been going back and forth about selling it, and I finally listed it on Bring a Trailer, and I got a very awesome offer for it. So ultimately that means no more 4Runner videos. You'll see some Prius videos for a while, so if you're interested in that, stick around for that. Once I get my new vehicle, I'll probably change the name of my channel and also change the content as well. I'll likely be leaving all the 4Runner groups and Toyota groups and actually join the Ford or Jeep groups. So if you guys need to look for me, make sure you guys check those groups out. The quality of those groups seem a lot better than the 4Runner groups. They definitely complain more, and they definitely have a lot of ridiculous problems for being a new vehicle. So if you guys need to find me, check me out in one of those groups. Well guys, that's pretty much all I wanted to announce, so make sure you guys hit that subscribe button if you guys are interested in some of those new videos. If you guys have any comments, leave them down in the comments below. I'll make sure to respond to you guys. If you guys are sad, don't worry, I'll probably still keep my old videos on the channel, so that way you guys can still watch them. Well guys, I'll see you guys in the next video, or perhaps not. Have a nice day.